How did you guys do today? I was in the green and I took an L, almost broke even, a little less than half of what I usually cut my loss at, and I just immediately walk away. We were very choppy, a lot of swings today. The stimulus bill is still up in the air. I feel like we're just getting played with. I'm gonna pull up SPY really quick. I had two very big plays in the morning, which I hesitated. I didn't get executed by literally a couple of cents, which was on Facebook. But look at these swings today. I don't like this, and we were just wedging on /NQ. We'll take a look at that. I was eyeing this on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, I wasn't really trying to play anything too crazy other than the massive pullbacks and trying to short Facebook, which we'll cover right now. But on the 5 minute, I'm still keeping this picture here. We're still in this wedge. Look, it did the exact same thing. Peaked up above that resistance and immediately pulled back once again, and it pulled back again. So we're still in this wedge. Who knows what's gonna happen tomorrow? Supposedly we're gonna have some more news about the stimulus bill tomorrow. But again, we're just getting closer to that deadline of elections. So that's a huge factor in the market right now. And as we get closer, I'm probably gonna have days where I'm not trading at all. So today I was out and busy. Midday I had to just leave. I had to go meet up with my clients. So I wasn't really on my computer. I didn't want to look at anything. When I take an L, I just walk away. Better to come back tomorrow. It's always another day, right? Apple. Let's take a look at Apple. I'm still waiting for the 118 just to go for me to go bullish on this one. I would have definitely shorted this top here, which we did, but then we got squeezed. We got squeezed here. These are the 3 times I hesitated on dip buying it. I was gonna go in around 800 and 900 shares on these dip buys, and they would have all paid off until here. This one would have paid. I actually was gonna buy on this one, and I ended up shorting it up here. See what happens when I don't go to my plan. My plan was just to buy here, and it would have been a profit. Instead of buying, I shorted it up here, and I got squeezed. This one was the stimulus news came out, and after that, I was just like, "Come on, lost, boom, leave." Facebook. If Apple comes down tomorrow on the 5 minute, it has room to run all the way down here, room to fall. So keep these support levels on watch. Especially, this was beautiful here, right here. We were beautiful up until like an hour and 15 minutes into the market open. After that, it just got really choppy, really horrible. But from right here, I was trying to play the bounces here. So you remember I usually say it's 3 confirmations. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and then it breaks out. You could usually just short the top, buy on the dip, and play it all that way. Or you could be more conservative and be safer and wait till it starts to squeeze it around here. Also, I had to keep in mind it was a $0.50 mark. So I thought we were going to even blow past this $18.50 mark. But it looks like we just peaked above like 20 cents and then came down. So we didn't get to see the 119s today. But if we even come down, we could still see that 15, possibly 116 support here. So yeah, 116, 150 level. I just don't want to be in a range. I don't want to be in this range. We pointed out an NQ. Let's see, 5 minute. I don't want to be in this range. I either want to, like I said, take a more aggressive position up here in short, or just buy the dip. But Tesla. Let's talk about Facebook really quick. See, my alert didn't go off again. This one was going to be the play. I was going to short Facebook right here. I just did not get filled in by 3 cents. And sometimes I figure to myself, why not just throw in a market order? And it's better to just be those cents like off. You understand what I'm saying? Like, don't get filled in at the exact same price and leave a little bit of profit on the table and just get filled in, you know? Not like right now where we're just like, oh man, we should have got filled in. But we try to buy 2-3 cents above the price since we're shorting. So, and it came down and it didn't come back up. It did not trigger my alert. So what did trigger my alert was Tesla. As for Facebook, on the 5 minute, still on an uptrend. Maybe if we come down to 78, I'd possibly wait to see if we hold around this level around 274 support and see if that 276 acts as resistance. So pretty much trying to see how strong this is, how strong this support can be. Now, what got triggered was Tesla towards the end of the day. So we've been talking about Tesla all week on the 5 minute, complete downtrend until right now for its 5th consecutive, I believe, quarter of profits. Go on the 1 minute. Another one that was very choppy midday. I missed this market run here. I just didn't even want to touch it. After the L, I just like forget it. And then I was at the store, and then we got the alert here of confirmation of it cracking down, and then these crazy swings. So we've hit 441.85 after hours. Now we pull back on the 4 hour. We're still we maintain that's the higher lows. I was talking about this yesterday. It's either make or break here. We either hold and bounce back up above here, or it's done. It's coming under 400 and possibly going to 350. So right now we're still holding those higher lows, and I'm still waiting for these crucial levels. I know we were talking about the 460 level not so long ago. Let's pull up the 30-minute. Right here, the 460 level. So looks like we could possibly cup and handle. Maybe in the morning we pull back to around the 437s, hold off there, and continue upward momentum. But then again, there's gonna be so many factors tomorrow that is just probably best to just sit out. That's what I did right now. I didn't even trade Tesla. I didn't want to hold it overnight or anything. Which one's another one that we were looking at? Let's pull up Neo. See how this one did. I know I opened this one here in the morning. It's still consolidating. Still has that support around 27. But you see this. This is the wedge. You usually want to trade this when it's momentum upward like this. When it's sideways, it's probably the best bet to just avoid it. Amazon. Oh, and we dip on Netflix. We'll talk about Netflix. Still 5-minute descending triangle. I think we come down a little bit more here. Netflix. This one was on my radar for a dead cat bounce. We bought the dip, and it just kept dipping a little bit. We bought it around which one was it? See, let's actually pull this up. I think we can pull up the trades. There we go. Right here. So 492.34, and we sold at 491.85. So not the best position, not the best trade, but it was worthy of cutting the loss because we did come down a little bit more after that. But nonetheless, it traded sideways. This is what I try to avoid. It just trading sideways. So for this one, hopefully, I hope we come down even more. Probably get it even cheaper. But the thing that scared me was on the 4 hour. It has room to run all the way down to 467. So that should have already been a red flag for me. And especially since we didn't see upward momentum or upward held momentum right at the market open. So we didn't even hold the 505 level. That should have just been already a red flag. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it for what I'm watching. Let me know what you guys think about today's trading day and how you're going to approach the next couple of days. But right now, I'm just waiting for tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. I know we're probably going to get some more stimulus news tomorrow. Hopefully, we don't get caught again shorting into the spike. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like on the video. Leave a comment on what you're thinking, your plays, and how you're going to approach the market tomorrow. And leave a like on the video. Subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the chat room. Take care.